Remember that travel agency website you built a few months ago? The one with the amazing Thailand hero section. What if I say you can be there in real life? Sipping your coconuts while listening to your favorite music on your brand new AirPods, while drawing the majestic views with your brand new iPad and Apple Pencil. Too good to be true, right? Well, here at Elementor, we love to make dreams come true. So if you're a web creator, this is your time to show off your best work with the Elementor Showoff competition. From today till December 1st, you can submit your website works of art and make a chance at winning it big. Here are the competing categories: e-commerce, content, portfolio, landing page, experimental, and pop-up. Each category winner wins a creative package that includes an iPad, an Apple Pencil, and a pair of fresh AirPods, as well as exposure on Elementor's social media channels. But if you have created the best website on the face of this f***ing earth, you get all of these prizes plus an Apple Studio display and 7 days in Bangkok, Thailand as Elementor's and my VIP guest during WordCamp Asia. So, are you ready? Submissions start now.